Hello and welcome to StarStream Gamer channel. If you want to realize the full potential of your PC, let me give you some tips. First of all, if you want to achieve the best possible performance of your PC, you'd better overclock your memory first, and then deal with CPU cores. The reason for this is that memory is the thing that limits CPU performance. The wider its bandwidth is, the faster CPU functions. If you overclock your CPU cores first, then you may not be able to achieve maximum CPU performance simply because your CPU may need more voltage with overclocked memory than with stock memory. Or if you already overclocked your CPU and find the most optimal core frequency and voltage value, then just increase voltage by one step to make your system more stable in case your memory model exceeds the current potential of your CPU. For example, I overclocked my CPU first, and these are the best results I could achieve with my memory model. But then I increased CPU voltage by one step, tuned my memory further, and here are the results I got then. The difference is pretty impressive, isn't it? The real gaming performance has improved, not by much, but if you are aiming for the best possible result, it may be useful for you. Secondly, to achieve the best performance, you should find the most optimal frequency for your memory model. If it has XMP profile, it doesn't mean that this frequency is the most optimal for the certain chips this model based on. Sometimes the most optimal memory frequency may be higher than the frequency of XMP profile, but sometimes it may be lower. Your goal is to find the frequency which will let you decrease main and secondary timings as much as possible and provide the lowest overall memory latency. If you are going to tune secondary timings separately, then you should start with FAW. Reducing FAW significantly reduces the duration of memory tests provided by testmem5. It may reduce it down to 25% depending on how high the value of this timing was automatically set by your motherboard. Some overclockers claim that 16 is the lowest FAW value you need, as decreasing it further do not provide any performance improvement. I have not checked it by myself yet, but I tend to trust their judgment. I also find more timings formulas. Here they are. They are not ideal, sometimes some of them might be contradictory, but all in all, they provide quite an accurate reflection of the situation with memory overclocking. The last thing concerning memory is that one of the two memory modules is always slightly faster than the other one. You should detect which module is this and then place it closer to a CPU. I have already made a video about swapping memory modules. You can watch it if you are interested and find out how big is the difference between the two positions of the modules. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any more tips about memory overclock or CPU overclock in the comment section below. But for now, good luck until next time.